Alright, so in this video, it'll be really quick. I'm just going to show you how to add the Panzer Soldat and the Margwa into your map. And this is basically, will apply to all boss zombies and stuff that Harry has made. So to start off, you want to go to devraw.net and then just go over to releases and then AI. And this is where all the boss zombies that people have uploaded are. And so right now we want the Panzer, so you're just going to click that and then download that. And if you're watching this tutorial, I'm assuming that you've done some work in devraw, so you'll download that. But there's also something you need to download too, and we'll get into that later. But first, you just want to extract it and go into instructions, and this is what else we got to download. So the requirements: if your game's crashing as soon as the Panzer spawns in, it's because you don't have these two files. So let's just do that real quick, and it's super self-explanatory, so I won't go over it in this video. But effects library, so this is right here, the effects library. You just got to download that, and the physics preset, yep, right here. So you just need both of those, and you just drag those and drop them into your root directory like this right now. So now that it is extracted, you want to find your folder that you just got and then your root directory. And so you're gonna take everything except for user map open me. You're just gonna drag it into here, and because I've already got it, it would just be overriding it. So once you copy those over, you don't need these and you can just delete them. And now you're going to go into your user map, and then it says scripts, and then on your root directory you want to go to user maps, the map that you're working on, and then you can just drag this right over. And I've already done it, so I don't need to. And then once that's done, just delete it. And then we can just get rid of this for right now, just to get rid of the clutter. And so instructions, you can close your folder. Now all you need is the instructions text open, because we're going to be copy and pasting some of the scripting. So we've just done these steps. Now we're on to step 3. Open your map name GSE and your map name CSE. So we can find that by going to user maps, the map name, scripts, ZM, and then go all the way down, and it should be at the bottom. And so you're going to want to open both of these. So we'll do it one at a time. And we're going to find this line, stamina up. And this will be in the top half. Find perks, stamina up. And so I've already done it, but you just copy this, mech zombie, hashtag using scripts EM. And you're just going to copy it right here, save it. And then we're going to do the same thing on the GSC. Find stamina up and put that same line right under it, save it, and close it. So now that we're on to step 4, we're going to be doing the sound config. So we're going to go back to your map name, user maps, the map name, and then go into sound config, and then this file. And so you can see I've already uploaded some stuff, but we're just going to be looking for alias, user alias, CSV. That's right here. And then we're going to just add this directly underneath. So you need this bracket to this end bracket. And I've done it for both the Margwa and the mech. And you can just add as many of these as you want for each boss zombie, but you just need one for each. So just add that, save it, and quit it. And then we're on to step 5, which is opening and raiding. But we're going to skip this step just for a second and move on to the step 6. So we got to comment out some stuff. So go into your root directory, zone source, all, a list, and then we're finding core patch right here. And so this is a super long line of code, and we just want to find and comment out these two things. So just select one at a time is what I recommend. And if it doesn't find it, like it says right here, can't find, try changing the direction. And then we're just going to add 2 comment lines in front of it. It doesn't matter if it's got a space in between. Mine worked. And so you want to do this for both of the GSC and CSC. which we've already done. So we can close that, save it. Step 7, edit your map name zone file. So we do that by going to user map, map name, zone source, ZM, your map name, and now we can open this, and we're just adding this line at the bottom. So these are weapons that I've added. When you go all the way down, you can see I've added this line. Just copy and paste it and save it. Okay, and then now we can close out all of these, and we're gonna go back into our map, and this is step 6. So you can see that I've already done this basically, but you're gonna go into your prefab browser by going over to right-clicking prefab browser, and that'll open up this. Then ZM, and it's Heeeeyyyy Bo3 prefabs. And so this is where it'll be Margra's mechs. If you were gonna do it for the Margra, you'd open up this. And so if you just have a basic flat map, you don't have to worry about all this stuff. It's just for like in origins and stuff when that he has to jump over stuff. But so what we need is the mech zombie spawn point. You're gonna drag and drop that in, and then exit out of that. And now this is which one you want. Genesis is a more modern one, the like model of this where it shoots out like perks or whatever. I haven't even played that map. And then Tomb is the old version of the mech from like Origins and stuff. So basically you just want to pick whichever one you want. And so you can see that I've chosen the one from Origins. So once you have these two, you want to hit select them, right click, and then go over to prefab and stamp prefab. This will get it into the map so you can edit it. And so that's all you need. Basically you do the same thing. You drop your Tomb mech spawner, hit it, go over prefab, stamp prefab, and you don't have to do anything with this. You just need this in your map. So this will disappear once you're in game. And so these are the spawn points, and you're just gonna activate this like any other spawn point. So you can see right here we have, I think, yep, this is a dog location, but let me find, yeah. This is a normal rising location for a zombie, and my target name is the name of the zombie spawner. So you're just gonna add that right here, and he'll spawn just like so. But I don't need that right now because I have these two. And so you're just gonna close these. I'm not gonna save it, but you will obviously. Then you're gonna hit compile, link, and build, and this will get everything working. And if it doesn't load or break, then it'll tell you what's going on, and just comment it in the YouTube video. I'll try and help you guys out if you have any problems. But the main problem I was having with any of the bosses is not having the required folders. And you can see in some of the other ones like the Margra, it requires more files, I believe, but I'm not totally sure. So alright, there he is. So he spawned in, and he's gonna attack me like this. And obviously I look low, so he's gonna be so easy. Power up.